hairball. Human hairball.
Oh, hi, Future Willis.
All right, that's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. Everything's okay, Future Willis.
恭喜發財. That's your mini crash course in the Toy Siamese way of saying it.
And that's where graphics card memory comes into play.
Oh, okay. I ad-libbed you.
There's it even has Mace Windu mode. Say what again? I have the high ground. Yes, sure. Why does that matter? It doesn't really make any difference.
Oh. I think I hit it. All right, bye.
Force push. Oh, it worked.
Oh.
See, the force push worked.
Now we see you. We just got $5 super chat from VC Jester.
no.
Thank you so much. Said, can we get a Brad body pillow? You know what?
Oh, no.
I'll text my guy.
I'll hug it.
We'll source
Do
something.
they have those? Can you get customized body pillows?
All right, and we're out of here.
So yeah, I'm the executive editor now, and we're all gonna kick some butt. So keep reading. Gonna be some butt kicking stuff.
That means Brad is all of our bosses now. You know, we have to report to Brad now. Jeez.
That a Thunderbolt dock is in fact the best gift that you can buy.
I could even, if you wanted to have to.
Number 4, it has lots of memory. Like lots. Sorry, don't use that one. That was just me getting it out of my system. All right, pump is...
I, for one, am excited about this resolution revolution that is taking place. Oh my...
On Silicon, you can go to our...
Oh no, really?
Oh no,
we recorded. We recorded.
Oh, the dangers of a Zoom podcast.
This is the Razer phone. Oh man, this thing was built like a tank, Willis.
Rainbows!
Fucking rainbows, man. Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Look at this.
Wait,
oh.
why do you have a Switch behind you? Oh, no, that's not the Switch.
Oh, that ain't the Switch. That's a Razer phone, Lindsay.
What?
Damn. I'm telling you.
Oh.
Willis, check out these gamer aesthetics. It says
Whoa.
Republic of Gamers ROG. This is a ROG phone. Look, there's BB. She's upside down. BB, what are you doing? You playing?
He's gonna do it! All right, so for fan sizes accommodated, you're gonna be famous, kitty. Boop. The audio recording program may not look like much, but that...
Counter-Strike. If you're playing Counter-Strike or games, this is way too in the weeds. What am I gonna say? Yep. That's my job. No, there's no floor mats.
and loses out to the 3070 by 12. Who knows how much the 6700 XT will go for? It ran off the screen.
Because a hard drive will make even the What the Because a hard drive will make even the fastest hardware. Stupid mother. If you're literally growing old, waiting for Windows to me. All right, here we go.
All right, what do we got in this box, Gordon?
Hey, we got me. Ready?
You know, you have much grab. That's not going in the bloopers.
Okay, so what if you're more of a Google person? Okay, so what if you're more of a Google. Check out the Google Mist. Google. Okay, so what if you're more of a Google person? Check out the Google Nest Mini, a $50 smart speaker that's powered by Google Assistant.
and we're about to go up close. Damn it. My brain was like, let's do different types of intro at the same time. And Ozzy, tongue, why have you betrayed me? Finally, we're gonna have a quick look at how, it's Friday. And it's gonna be $160 US for the solid, ooh.
Corsair's K70 RGB 10 keyless keyboard. Want to know some of my
before making a final decision. Speaking of pricing, TDP, or sometimes known as TDP, or sometimes referred to as TGP, is quite decisive.
Some very experienced computer build. This panel is going to be the death of your PC because of the thermals that, oh shit. Oh God. Why so sticky? Is it upside down? Nope, it's just like that. Okay. Oh, that was real?
That was real. That was good.
I was just dry running it. This a nice tug when you're trying to remove it. Just kidding, not gonna stay.
Alexa, show me the Echo Show 10 camera. Alexa, 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 Alexa.
Adam's Echo Show isn't enabled as a camera.
Alexa, restart the device.
I'm sorry, I can't restart this device. Please follow the manufacturer's instructions.
Probably what would kill me the most, and also not the dedicated arrow keys.
I'm done.